back for another keto meal. So today we're going to do a ribeye steak grilled. We're just going to season these with a little salt and pepper on each side. Make sure you get the edges of the steak as well seasoned. My charcoal is already getting heated up right now. After I season these, I let them sit out for 10 minutes or so before I put them on the grill. Alright, so charcoal's ready. Just a little chimney to get them going. Dump them out. Now, I like my grill to be very hot to do these. Like a little layer. Put my little grate on. Let that get really hot. And normally I just put some oil in a rag, but I had some nonstick spray. This is probably dangerous, and you probably shouldn't do it the way I'm doing it. Probably blow up one day on me, knock on wood. Hopefully it doesn't. But just season that with a little bit of oil so the steaks will not stick. As soon as it gets hot, I get those ribeyes on. Like, you can't have your hand like anywhere near that fire, really, because man, it takes some layers off. I just turn a little quarter way. You don't have to do that, but I just do. Now these are going to take around, like, I like mine kind of medium, so like 2 minutes per side for that thickness. Depends on how hot your fire is, how thick your steaks are, and yeah. I had to check on to make sure that wasn't burning on that side. It's time to flip. Here we go. Now I just can tell by just feeling the steak normally how done it is. I do have a meat thermometer, and if you're not used to doing this, a meat thermometer is way easy to check. But I've been doing this long enough, I can just look normally. Sometimes I'm wrong. And just by touching it, how it bounces back off my finger, how done the steak is. It's about that time. Like, it's so hot, I can't bear, you know what I mean? I can't have my hand near there for just like a second or two. Now we're going to take these off the grill and let them rest inside for like 10 minutes or so. In the meantime, I'm just going to saute some little mushrooms and garlic. If you don't have one of these little propane burners, they are excellent. You don't have to stink up your whole entire house or you're doing certain foods. And propane tank lasts a long time. Like, kind of surprising. Mushrooms and garlic are in. I just a little olive oil, and you can throw some butter in if you like, but I just had some olive oil at the time. Just going to season these with salt and pepper. Toss them around. Sometimes those mushrooms can really absorb the oil, so add a little bit more to it. It was close. This only takes a couple of minutes. You have to keep it moving around so that garlic doesn't burn. This is pretty much my favorite meal, just a ribeye steak. Ribeyes and skirts are by far my favorite. It's time. I'm just gonna slice this one up. Show you how it's cooked. Yeah, I love those little end pieces. Top it with the mushrooms and garlic. If you like recipes like this, some keto food, keep on subscribe. I'm gonna keep on coming out with some new ones. Thanks for watching. Enjoy.